this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install a bot inside of cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up cTrader on either your favorite browser or on the cTrader program inside of your computer or mobile device. Then from here, once you're logged in, you should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to go down to the left-hand side and go over to where it says algo down here. Once you're inside of here, all of this should be empty. But from here, you need to go over to One More Algos, explore cTrader Store. Then a new page will pop up where you can choose the cbot up here in the left-hand corner. And then from here, you have 724 products to choose from. From here, you'll need to find the specific bot that you want to download. Then from here, once you've found it, you'll simply need to click on it. And then up here, you can click install. Now from here, you can see it has been successfully installed. And now you can open up cTrader where a new page will pop up again and directly go inside of the algo and go up to find the specific bot that you have just purchased or downloaded. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!